I bet you can't guess what day it is.
It's Tuesday.
Well, yes, it is Tuesday, but it's also Planting Day 2022. It's late May, and I was planning on planting earlier. However, I'm glad I didn't because we had 2 really big hailstorms, and they probably would have destroyed the seedlings if I had planted earlier. So I'm so glad that I didn't. Planted some peas a couple weeks ago because I wanted to do succession planting of peas throughout the season, and they're okay. Didn't germinate before the hailstorms. Today I'm just going to be planting at my home garden. I usually plant just veggies at home like tomatoes and cucumbers and peas, but I am planning on trying something new this year and planting leafy greens like lettuce and kale and arugula. Those are pretty short season plants. You can plant them throughout the season and have, again, succession plantings, which is exciting, so we'll have fresh salads out throughout the season. Let's just get into it, I guess. Alrighty, let's get into it. So here is my garden plan. As you can see, I have 4 different areas that I'm planning on planting in, and here is a little overview of the seeds. I'm doing lots of greens, and I'm doing some low maintenance veggies like peppers, cucumbers, and tomatoes. So the first place I'm going to be planting obviously is in this big main one, and I'll just go over what's already in here right now. Right back here I have peas, like sugar snap peas, and then in the corners I have marigolds to keep away pests. So this is where I'm going to be planting the lettuce. It'll be like a lettuce bed. Alright, let's get started. I found this very interesting seed tape, and when I was unrolling it, all I could think of was toilet paper. It's supposed to make it easier to make straight lines, but since my garden bed's a little smaller, I think it would be better suited for at the farm. While I was planting, the only thing I could think about was how this garden bed is basically a salad bowl. This is a salad bowl. It's a salad bowl. Next thing, tomatoes and cucumbers. As you can see, I actually got a greenhouse. I can do a greenhouse tour after I plant the tomatoes and cucumbers into this one. This year I'm directly seeding my cucumbers and tomatoes. I didn't make transplants for them, but I am planning on making transplants next year. Ooh, it is hot in here. Alright, so in my greenhouse we have an okra plant. We have a little baby lemon tree. There's nothing there yet because I just planted it yesterday. We have 2 lavender transplants. Down here we have a few corms that my advisor gave to me. And then over here we have some flowers that are doing really good. Okay, so a little change of plans. I was about to plant in here, and in here I was planning on having zucchinis. But for some reason, there are sunflowers everywhere. So I might plant around them. Not really sure what I'm gonna do. Looks like a carrot. Like a very dead carrot. I needed some time to think, so I decided that I was going to plant my little pepper box before I planted the zucchinis. I noticed while I was planting the peppers that the soil was really dry and dusty, and so I decided that I would add some moist soil on top of it to help moisten the seeds and hopefully help with germination. Whoa! That is a mushroom. I've deliberated with myself, and I think instead of like pulling out the sunflowers, because I love sunflowers, I don't want them to like not be here. I think I'm just going to plant zucchinis down here, and then we'll see later in the season if I can use this for more, maybe lettuce, maybe some basil. Yeah, or maybe I have another idea too. I have zinnia seeds, and I could put the zinnias over by the sunflowers, and then have some flowers and like color back here to attract pollinators, and then I could have zucchini and get zucchinis pollinated. That is a great idea. The last seeds I'm going to plant are these zucchini. Decided I'm going to plant these zinnias. So let's get going. Since I don't have a lot of space here at my home, I've decided that it would be more efficient to plant my zucchini seeds in a donut shape. This helps with other plants as well, such as squash and pumpkins. It helps them to not get tangled up in each other, and they spread out more easily. Then the last thing to plant was the zinnia seeds. There we go. That is everything planted. I'm surprised that it didn't take me longer than it did. Last year it took me a while. This year it didn't take me as long. It took me about an hour. I also kind of decided that I'm not going to plant as many seeds here at home because I'm actually going to continue to plant at my farm, and I will be doing that soon, and there should be a video coming up soon. It just depends on when I get up there. Just like last year, the last thing to do is give everything a good water. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, water your plants.